Are you ready to turn your kitchen into a cozy heaven of flavors? Warm, savory, and perfectly portioned. Let's make it with Indus Keema seasoning. Start by heating ghee in a pan. Once it's warm, add the aromatic Indus ginger garlic paste and saute until fragrant. Now it's time to add the minced meat. Cook until it changes color. Then sprinkle in a medley of Indus Keema spices that will elevate this dish to a whole new level. Keep cooking until the meat is almost tender. Toss in some diced onions and let them sizzle until they are turned translucent. And for that hearty touch, fold in boiled potatoes and peas. Mix it all up and cook for a few minutes until all flavors mingle together. Once done, take it off from the heat and let it cool completely. Now let's get creative with our puff pastry. Cut out round circles, grab your individual pie pots and give them a quick grease. Place one pastry circle into each pot, pressing it down gently to seal it. Don't forget to break the bottom. Fill each pot halfway with the stuffing, and if you are feeling cheesy, toss in some cheese cubes. Top it off with a little bit more filling before placing another pastry circle on top. Seal those edges with a fork and make a few slits on top to let the steam out. Brush the tops with an egg wash and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Pop them into a preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Once they are golden brown and smelling divine, take them out and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. And there you have it, perfectly golden mince pot pies ready to be enjoyed. And don't forget to check out the Indus wide range of ready-to-use spices to elevate your cooking.